Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and today the single most important tool in watchmaking, I am absolutely convinced, is you, the watchmaker. I've got 4 golden rules I live by, and that brings you more fun in watchmaking, a bit more, hopefully, longevity into your hobby or profession. It will help you to improve your performance and enjoy watchmaking in a general. Only 4 rules I live by over a decade as a professional watchmaker. Cheers. First, control your breathing. Per definition, watchmaking are extremely small parts. If you concentrate, you tend to stop breathing, or at least breathe very high in your chest. Your body will react in a very mild hyperventilation, which can cause you to tremble. Try to breathe from your belly, deep breath, and not so high here, or stop breathing at all. That will help you to stay focused, and your fingers will be more stable. Breathe from your belly. Second golden rule, control your blood sugar. If your blood sugar spikes, you transpire or get a bit trembly or cannot concentrate well enough. So keep your blood sugar under control. If I have to do a fiddly job or bending and hairspring, stuff like that, I have a sip of orange juice, fruit juice. Just a bit of sugar, and that keeps your blood sugar nice and even for a small period of time. Or otherwise some carbs that slow release, but keeping your blood sugar level make sure you can perform evenly over the day. Third one like that. Reduce the strain on the trapeze muscle just below your neck. That will be a lifesaver. That is one of the reasons we all work under a microscope, and it is simply this trapeze muscle. If they are strained working like this, or if you really well, not at ease behind your workbench, but strained, and this muscle will seize up and will cause headache. Your shoulders won't be loose anymore, even lower backache. Well, that's why we use the microscope, because if we work like this, the back will be straight and your elbows will be resting, and there's no strain on the trapeze muscle. For me, it was a lifesaver because I needed a serious massage every 2-3 weeks, and now that muscle isn't strained anymore because of the microscopes, and we sit differently behind the workbench. It's a world of difference. Number 4, entertain your subconsciousness. Trust me, if you are focusing on your work at hand, the rest of your mind will wander off if it's too quiet. We all like the same music over here, so we well, eclectic taste, but mostly classic rock and blues rock and stuff like that. It keeps your mind entertained while you're focusing on what you're working on, the watch movement. If it's dead quiet, your mind is programmed to find the differences. So if there's a small crack, a small noise, some background noise, you will pick it up. But if you have some music, and I personally like audio books. It keeps your subconscious entertained, and visually you can work on watches and small parts. Um, it's like a background noise of music, and all the finer details below that, you won't pick it up. It will make a difference. That's all. Watchmaking is an impossible profession, and I think my dear friend Max said it best when we were in the Dutch watchmaking school. He was a retired radiologist, and he said, Kalle, I feel like an explorer drawing the map of a coastline. But the more I know about watchmaking, the coastline, I don't end up with a map of a known coastline. I end up with a map of a completely new continent. The more you know, the more you know you don't know. And it is really true. Every single time you find out more about watchmaking, how insane it was even 200, 300 years ago. And you can only tip your hat to the giants we stand on their shoulders. So all of you, 4 golden rules I live by daily, and that helps me keep focus and make sure you can do this job day after day after day for many years and have fun with it, because that is important. All of you, thank you so much for watching. I would like to hear your comments. Really would like to hear your views on watchmaking and well, the 4 golden rules. All of you, thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.